Hello guys, welcome to a new episode in the Maxter Studio. Here we have a Bluetooth headphone from Sound One. The model number of the device is BT-788. Let's check the specifications now. The device comes with a Bluetooth version 4.1. It does have a built-in mic and also promises 8 hours of talk or playtime. Also, the material is sweat-proof. And finally, we can see the device actually comes in 3 different colors. One is a green, red, and a blue. Let's unbox the device. We have the actual device over here. Along with the device, we do get the charging cable, a short one, which is of micro USB type. Also few extra earbuds and a manual as well. So let's just keep these things apart. The device doesn't seem to be so heavy, it's little light. And here you can see, here this is the right side and this one is the left side. And to the right we have 3 keys, which is of volume up and down and a power. So the power key actually used to play or pass the music, as well as it used to attend the call as well. Also we do have the charging port in the same side, which I said it's a micro USB type. So to turn on the device, so the default thing we follow in almost all the devices is like press and hold the power key for a few seconds. Yeah, added here some voice from the device. I actually said like it's device entered the powering mode. So once the device is in the powering mode, you can see the light blinks blue and red. So as you people do know, to connect the device with your phone or a laptop or the desktop, whichever compatible Bluetooth devices, you have to just search for the device from your phone and post that connect to it. Let me just wear it and see how I feel it. Oh my god, oh my god, it's actually bigger than I expected. I don't feel I can continue my jogging wearing this headphone. It may actually fell off. I think it's safe to use indoors, so to keep it in a sweet way. And yeah, that's all about this device actually. So thanks guys, thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.